The Samsung 57-inch Odyssey Neo G9 is absolutely huge. In fact, it's probably so big that I'll probably have to.
No. I see where this is going.
What?
There's gonna be some visual gag of it being large, and I'm probably gonna get hurt, so no, I'm not doing it.
Fine, do you have your punch card?
Always.
Only got one left.
I know.
Use it wisely.
I know.
Let's unbox this. What's up, y'all? I'm Tori, and welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. Now, we're always looking for the latest and greatest technology to feature, and it doesn't get much more latest or more greatest than this. In fact, we were so excited we neglected grammar. The Samsung 57-inch Odyssey Neo G9 monitor is the next leap forward for displays, and we have our hands on it super early. Thanks, Newegg!
You're welcome!
Okay. This is the world's first dual UHD monitor. It truly has 57 inches of display, meaning your dual or even trio monitor setup can be a thing of the past. Because just like the second best Star Wars character, we're going solo. In addition to the size, this also has a 240 Hz refresh rate, a 1 ms response time, and FreeSync Premium Pro for stutter-free gaming. It's not just big, it's got the power and performance to back it up. That said, it's freaking huge, so I may need some help as we unbox this. That wasn't rhetorical! Someone help! Eee! I think this is the biggest unboxing I've done. I feel like something's gonna pop up. Oh my God, okay. This is gonna be the size of the box. Sweet, this is gonna be our mount that's gonna hold this massive monitor up. Wow, as expected, very sturdy to hold up 57 inches of glorious, glorious monitor. This feels like Christmas. We got Christmas right before Christmas. This could be a Christmas gift. If you really want to win this season, get someone you love a 57-inch monitor. Oh wait, I have a knife. Cool, so we have our power cabling, and then plus we have our display ports, and it looks like our HDMI cord in here as well. So that way you have all of your cables necessary, so that way you can plug in both your console and your gaming PC or whatever you want, because this thing is massive. Here must be our quick setup guide, which for something this big, I don't want to mess up, so a setup guide is very helpful. And even tips for tidying up your cables, that's nice. Is that really it, aside from the monitor now? I'm nervous. Okay, your installation guide too, which I think this is all the pieces. So now it's just our monitor. Oh, okay, and some casing stuff. I think it is white. I was not expecting this. Oh, this is a stormtrooper if I've ever seen one. This looks menacing. How? I don't want to take it out of the box. It needs to just stay in here in the beautiful, perfect condition that it's in right now. This is actually a lot easier to set up than I thought it was gonna be. It was only 11 steps on the instructions, if you're someone that reads instructions, but also pretty self-explanatory. Okay, and then make sure everything else is nice and tightened up. And it looks like we're in a good place. Heck yeah, okay. Next part of the instructions. So then we can put this. So, and the knobs on here are just twisty ones. Righty-tighty. Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift! And push the box. We got it out of the box all without Nico. It's out of the box, I haven't seen it yet. Let's get the grand reveal. Is it cool? This is glorious. I was not expecting it to be this curved. This is gonna be one of the best peel moments. It smells like fresh plastic. I had no clue it was gonna be this color. I love a white and black monitor. It just fits into any room. It just never ends and I love it. Cool. This is truly one of the most beautiful things I've ever unboxed. So let's talk more about it. As we mentioned, this is the first dual UHD monitor. In addition to the 57-inch screen size, the 1000R curve with quantum matrix technology is powered by quantum mini LEDs. You can expect pixel-perfect visual accuracy and incredible definition on this massive display. This is also a wonderful screen for gamers. Not only do you get the incredible visual range that you'd expect from a monitor this size, but with a 240 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms response time, this would be one of the best monitors on the market already if it wasn't this freaking huge. It also comes with FreeSync Premium Pro, which utilizes DisplayPort 2.1 for stutter-free, hyper-fast action. Let's talk about how the dual monitor works. With picture-by-picture, you can utilize 2 windows at once within their native resolution. Each window essentially acts as its own 32-inch screen for you to enjoy in ultra-high resolution. And with Auto Source Switch Plus, this monitor detects when any connected devices are turned on and will instantly switch to the new source signal. Basically, you can plug in a computer and a console and get both signals on the screen at once. And they'll connect with ease. Game, stream, play, edit, there's so many things you can do with this monitor. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to Newegg to pick up the Samsung 57-inch Odyssey Neo G9 monitor and get your hands on one of the coolest products of 2023.
Can I try it?
No, you had your chance to be in the episode.
Oh, gosh.
Stamp card and everything.